What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the easiest makeup ever. Okay, we're keeping it real simple today. Today is just one of those days where I want to put some makeup on, but I don't really feel like doing the whole shebang. I wouldn't say it's a no makeup look though, but it's close. It's close enough. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. I had to take my glasses off. Y'all can see I'm literally just getting ready for the day. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I like to use this in the winter, mostly because it's nice and thick. And I need for my skin to be moisturized and hydrated. I did already do like my normal skincare, so I have moisturizer and sunscreen and all that kind of stuff on, but I like to use like a thick kind of primer. All right, next we're gonna go right into brows. This is the e.l.f. Wow Brow, and I'm just gonna brush that all through my brows. Okay, and I'm kind of just using the tip of the brush mostly, and then I will go in with like the full thing and brush my brows up. But to apply it, I'm just using the tip. Look at that. Nice full brow. Super quick. Boom. Brows are done. I don't even think I'm gonna carve them out. I'm just gonna leave them, you know, how they are. Okay, we're not going in with foundation, but I'm gonna put some of this on my skin. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion in Deep. Just to give my skin, you know, a little glow, not too much. Not too much. But I'm not using foundation today. I'm just gonna rub that in with my fingers. Bring it down the nose a little bit. Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on. I'm going in with my Vieve concealer. I am gonna let it sit though, but I just wanna go ahead and get this on. So concealer in all of the usual places, but not too much. Okay, and then while that is sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and do my little contour and bronzer with the Makeup by Mario bronzing serum. Listen, this is already, my edges are already coming up. Like, what? Put this on. Some of my lid here, my crease, as well as on the nose. And I'm gonna do a little bit on my lips. I don't usually contour my lips, but I tried it and I kind of liked it, y'all. Like, my lips are big enough, obviously, but I don't know. I kind of dug it. A little bit. All right. So I'll put that one. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the contour out, and then we'll work on our concealer. Yeah? What? I don't know what they're speaking of right now. Take this brush. All right. Now let's blend out our concealer. What's up? Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right, concealer is blended out. I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of powder. I'm using my Givenchy powder. I'm just gonna set with a brush and just tap that. Okay. All right. That's all the powder that I'm gonna use, you guys. I don't think I'm gonna use any more powder. As far as like setting. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this Vieve Dimension face palette. Wait, use my brush. Okay. And I'm just gonna take the two shades at the bottom and mix them. And we're gonna do like a bronzer blush type of vibe. I'm putting it like right on top of where I put that Mario. And then I'm kind of moving it up a little bit so that it kind of looks a little bit blushy, but not too much. Okay. So we're still giving ourselves a little bit of dimension, just without using like a whole bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? We're making it real quick, real simple. And then for highlighter, where'd it go? Here it is. For highlight, I'm taking this Chanel Cream Balm Stick. You can use any cream highlighter, but it just looks like this. I'm just taking that on my finger, putting it on my nose, and on my cheeks. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I did already put some of that contour in my eyes, but I think I want to do a little bit more, not too much. I'm just gonna take a Vieve eye wand. This is in hazelnut, right? Yeah, hazelnut. I'm just gonna put that all over my eye. Okay, we're gonna blend that out. I think that just gives me just a little bit more. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the same stick, but I'm going to get like a little fluffy brush and just take some of the product off the stick and run this on my lower lash line. Okay, and then because I am me, I'm gonna put some inner corner highlight on. I'm just taking that same Vieve face palette and I'm just gonna take the highlight shade and put it on the inner corner because I'm not going nowhere. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, obviously, but if I'm putting makeup on, I'm putting on inner corner highlight, period. Okay. Now, we're just gonna do the lashes, curl the lashes, put on mascara. I need a new lash curler. This lash curler is so old, y'all. Yeah, I need to get a new one. I'm just gonna use this Essence mascara today. Yeah, I'm gonna use Essence. I'm gonna use this one. All right, that is it for the eyes. Now we're on to lips. I'm gonna go in with my Vieve lip liner in Bark. So even though I did do like that little contour on my lips, I'm not overlining my lips at all. At all, okay? The contour is to just cast a shadow or to make it look like a shadow. So the point is to make it look like my lips are so big that they're casting a shadow. That sounds crazy, but that's kind of the point. Like, you know what I mean? Like that there's a little shadow there, a little shadow up here, but I'm not overlining my lips. Okay. We're just gonna go with some gloss. I don't know which gloss though yet. Let's find a lip gloss. What's this? I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty lip gloss. This is in the shade Fussy. I'm almost out of this. All right, final step. I'm just going to melt everything on my face together with my Morphe setting mist. Okay, and we're done, you guys. So let me throw some earrings on, put my glasses on, take this little thing off, and I'll be right back so we can see, you know, the completed look. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. Okay, this is the finished product. Yeah, I like this. This has like been my recent kind of go-to in the last couple of weeks. You know, when I don't really feel like doing a whole thing. This is still a full face of makeup. Don't get me wrong, this is still a full face of makeup, but it just didn't take as long, fewer products, but I still feel like I look cute. I can still go out, run errands, whatever I need to do, you know, and I look cute. I still look cute. Okay, so that's what we want. But yeah, this is my go-to super easiest makeup ever. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you try this look out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.